Hello, lovelies. Let's start crafting and make it till our eyes smile, I like to say. Joining me for Leeny's Shabby Tuesday is my lovely friend Ellen at Glamour Ellen. Please check my description box for Ellen's channel link and tell him his Krafty Leeny sent you. We're going to begin by using one of these cute little wood cutouts. It's a carrot from Dollar Tree. And I'm going to paint it with some of this white chalk paint. And I just give one good coat in the front and on the sides of the carrot. Today I'm going to be making some of this pasty paint, and what I do is I put some baking soda. Today I'm going to use Mod Podge, but you can use school glue. I've used that before. And you just mix it up to a thick consistency. If it's too thick, you can add a little more of the Mod Podge or school glue, whichever one you're using. So now that I'm happy with the consistency, I add some paint, and that's to bring the color. You can add any color you like, chalk paint, acrylic paint. I have not tried food coloring, which I do want to try in the future. After I mix it all in, and I'm happy with it, and my eyes are smiling with the color, I added this time some Dollar Tree white sand. Yep, sand. You can add the little pebble rocks, sand, different things just to give it a different texture when your paint dries. I'm using today one of these beebeecraft stencils, and I love these stencils. You get quite a bit of them. You get 16 in a pack. I will leave that in my description box for you. I don't know, I think they're gorgeous, and what's great is you can wash them and reuse them. You just keep spreading it around over your stencil. It's really nice and neat. You can control it because of the consistency it is. Makes it so easy to use. And look at that. You just lift it right up and it's there. I had to place it up on the top and continue the same process. Now I'm going to be using this Waverly chalk paint in celery, and I'm just going to paint the top of the carrot. After it was all dry, I got one of my little brushes from Dollar Tree and just went over it with some of that gold. And wow, look at that. It just makes that design pop, and it gives it already that shabby-licious feel, right? Oh, this is like my ultimate favorite thing to do, is using this with my stencils. It gives your project such a high-end look. Isn't it gorgeous? And it's so easy to do. You can use it on wood cutouts. You can use it on paper. Just all kinds of things. So now I'm getting some of this wax paint, and I'm just going to put it just on the top where I put the celery chalk paint. And I do put quite a bit. And then I get my washcloth and I spritz it with a little bit of water just to dampen it. And then I go right over my carrot top. You can use the brown, you can use the white wax, or you could just have left it. But oh my goodness, this was so beautiful. I wanted to have that shabby Victorian look, and this is what I decided to do. But you tell me, isn't that beautiful just like that even? You could put it on a wreath. I mean, on a picture or like a frame or something. I don't know. It just, I absolutely love this carrot the way it turns out. So I'm using some of my greenery that I've had, and it came from the Dollar Tree. And all I did was cut some pieces, and I'm going to add it right to that ribbon. I put the Dollar Tree ribbon, that is the lace fabric ribbon, and you can find that there. They have it most of the time. It's one of my favorite ribbons to use. I end up moving that little bow that I had put up there because I wanted to add some more embellishments on the carrot. You can leave it just like that, but I removed the bow. I decided to remove the bow. And I wanted to add this beautiful blush pink flower. Is that not beautiful? Oh, gorgeous. What a spring, right? I wanted it to be different, unique, and I think I accomplished that. You let me know what you think of this. I added the little bow back. It's just a regular shoe tie bow, and I put it right next to that flower. I got one of the beebeecraft little crystal beads. They're acrylic beads with beautiful Austrian crystals around it. I will also leave that link in my description box for you. Beautiful beads. And I put that right in the center of that flower. And then I got one of my painted roses, Dollar Tree roses, and I love to spray paint those. And I glued it right next to that beautiful pink. And oh, is that not stunning? I thought, it needs one more thing. You know me. You know I have to have more bling on that. And I'm going to put it right there, I think, where that bow is. And I got one of these beautiful brooches from Totally Dazzled. Thank you, Natalie. She always sends me the most gorgeous, gorgeous items. I'm telling you, you can't go wrong with Totally Dazzled. I will leave that link also in my description box for you. But that, look at this. Oh my gosh. Is that not shabby beautiful? Yummy, yummy, shabbylicious, right? Now for the bow. I got this ribbon on Amazon. I will leave that link in my description box for you if you like this ribbon. And all I did was cut a piece, wrapped it around my hand about 4 times, and then I just fold it over in half to make sure it's even, and I just put little snips on each side. I fold it in, get a pipe cleaner and tie it tightly, and then fluff it out. I cut another piece of the ribbon, and you make it as long as you like. I folded it on the end and put some glue down, and then right where the fold is, right below that is where I put the glue. I place a piece of that ribbon, the lace ribbon, and now I'm going to fold it back over and glue it shut. Now I'm going to make sure it will hang, and I'm just going to double knot the lace ribbon. I do trim the excess off on the top of the lace ribbon, but you want to make sure that it's going to stay, so when you hang it, your other ribbon is going to be flat. Now I'm going to get this bow, and I'm going to glue that bow right there on the top of the ribbon, where just below where we folded it. Yep, I got to fluff it out again because I want to make sure it's where exactly I want it. And my eyes are smiling and my heart is singing. So I put some glue, and after I did that, I'm going to place it right there on the top, just below the lace ribbon. Press down. Make sure it's going to stay and it's where you exactly want it. Now I'm going to get one of those really pretty flowers that I put on the carrot, and I'm going to glue that right there in the center top part of that bow. I went more to the top, but centered it. I hope that makes sense. I know I talk funny sometimes. So now I'm going to get my carrot, and I'm going to put some glue right there, and I want to make sure it's all the way on the side to side. And I put it right on the carrot. And here is the final look. My favorite part, but oh my goodness, is that not gorgeous? Oh my word, I am so in love with the way this looks. It's very unique, gorgeous, shabbylicious, yummy. Let me know what you think of my little carrot. Please give this video a thumbs up. It helps my channel grow, and I so appreciate it from the bottom of my heart. Thank you for your kindness. If you like Shabby Chic, join me every Tuesday for Leeny's Shabby Tuesday. It was my pleasure crafting with you, lovelies. Hugs, kisses, and fairy dust wishes. Be kind to yourself and others. Stay blessed. I'll see you in my next video.